It's been a while now. I've been seeing different AI images like this one you are seeing on the screen. Different are which are trending on Facebook. People are really these are AI images are really trending on Facebook. So I decided creating a video of how you can. I decided creating a video of how you can generate this image. So please carefully watch the video and follow me through the step-by-step process which I will taking you through to create these kind images. Please, if you are a new viewer, before we dive into the video, please subscribe and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing videos. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. So the site we'll be using, all you just have to do is to head over to your browser. So the site we'll be using is bing.com. I'll be putting the link to the site in the video description. So once you input bing.com, you click on image creator, then you'll be redirected to the site. These are Bing image creating site. This is a site which is used for creating these AI images. Though as the first time user, you have to create an account with Microsoft Bing before you can be able to generate image with this site. So normally daily you have just 50 points. All you have daily is 50 points as a free user, but you can still purchase, you can upgrade yourself, but as a free user all you have in a day is 15 points for generating your image. So when you want to generate your image, you input whatever you need. You can want to see how image creator work. You can input whatever you can describe input your prompt. You input it in this space bar and then you click on create. But if you don't know what to generate, you don't know what you generate, you just want something random, you can just click on surprise me. And then after clicking on surprise me, you can see we have it here that gorgeous abandoned medieval mansion in a fairy tale forest. Let's now see in a fairy tale forest now with the name Colade on it. So we've just input something now, so we'll be clicking on create. Then you have to wait. Let's wait while the image is being generated. It is creating the image, so we have to wait. Possibly our name is not on it. That is just an AI work. The name is not on it. The name is not on it. So when you generate your image like this, you can just click on download here and it will be downloaded into your gallery. So you can now access the image from a gallery now. So let's go back to the starting point to create our own now. You can see now with 1 point has been deducted from the 15 points we have. So you'll be given 15 points as a free user every day. So 1 point per image are generated. So let's say a child carrying chicken flying down the road, flying down the market road in a big city. So with input, this is what is called prompt. You input what you want. You input your prompt into this search bar. Then you click on create. So as you can see this now, you can see the screen. You can see the screen. You can see that these are AI are generated as exactly what we input into that search bar. That is what is called prompt. You describe what you want at this AI generating site. You describe whatever you want it to generate for you. You describe it into that search bar. Then you click on create. So if you want this, you can just click on download. This get downloaded to your gallery. You can cancel this. You can check on another one. We have another one here, which is you click on another one, it generates 4 images at a time. You can see this is another one, just like we've described. We said a child carrying a chicken flying on the market road in the city. You can see this now. You can see this is just an AI site which you can use in generating anything you described onto the site. So let's try something else. Let's clean this off and try something else. Let's try something else. A modern house with the name design on it and a Nigeria flag. So we click on create. You can see this. You can see this. This is a modern house with Nigerian flag there. So you can just download it if you are interested in downloading it. You can see that now. You can see that. So let's say you want to. You need the former images you've generated. You need this image. You don't need to go back in generating them. You don't need to waste your credit. All you just have to do is to tap here. Then you can click on the image again, and then you can download. You can download the image to your gallery. So let's just see this. Let's generate something new. A couple in the church being joined together by a pastor. So let's wait for this while it is being generated. You can see this. You can see this. Exactly what we've input into the site is what is being generated for us. So let's go back home and see. Let's explore ideas. Let's go back. So once you can see these are different images. These are different images you can use. So let's say you don't know how to use this site. Just click on surprise me and you will have something. You have a prompt in the search bar. Then you can click on create, just like I've said earlier. Please, if you find this video, if you find it helpful, if you find it useful about this topic, please like the video, comment and subscribe on the channel. Don't forget to put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing videos. Thanks for watching.